Yeah, back out again in the new spot that I did last week. Did 8 buckets I think and got just under 0.1. I think it was 0.09 or something like that. And that was just in this spot here. I did go right down to that clay base, or bedrock, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, 8 buckets. Today I'll do probably a fair bit more because I know there's some here now. So I just got to work out which direction to go. Got a little bit of water from the hole that I dug. We have had a bit of rain during the week, which is good, so that's going to soften it up a bit for me. But I might test out of here a bit higher, and then we'll test a bit lower, and we'll just see what's better. And then, yeah, I might, I don't know, maybe a couple more spots even. Let's say I'll test 4 spots along here, and then we'll split the 12 buckets in half, and I'll do 6 from up this section and 6 from down here, and then we'll just. That'll be a bit more of a sample just to see, if we're getting any. So, all right, I'll do a bit of testing and see if we can find some. Yeah, so I've done about 8 buckets now. I did a few test spots. I tested up the top there a bit, and I did test down there. And the middle just seems to be like silt and clay. There's no gravel in it for, I don't know, 6 or 8 inches. So I didn't even worry about that. And plus, with the water that's come down, it just fills up with water and it's just a nightmare to dig. So I dug a little hole off to the side here, and you can see there with how red it's getting and yellow in the bottom. As I said, I've done 8 buckets, and pretty much from the top down to about this line here was the first 5. So I'm not real hopeful that I'm going to get much in that. It's probably the last 3 that I did. He's probably got more of the better gold in it. There probably will be some small flood sort of gold in the top, but hopefully there's those bigger bits that I normally get down in that bottom section. So I'm going to try and scratch another 2 buckets out of there. You can see it's gone really mineralised. Once you get down to here, that's probably 10 inches down into that bank. Yeah, so I'm probably about 16 or 18 inches down. That's your clay there, so no point going any lower than that. So I'm just going to tunnel in around this edge for my last 2 buckets. Then we'll go wash it up. Alright, we'll get stuck into it. Yeah, so I've done my 10 buckets now. So it's time to go up to the car, but that's the hole and I dug it. It's fairly deep. I'll zoom in, just check out the minerals in this bank. All the colour. So hopefully there's a little bit still in that for when I come back. So we'll go wash it up now and see what we've ended up with.